guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, my name is Paige and I make fashion, styling, mommy and me, and coach inspired videos. If you're new here, hit that like button and also subscribe. Yes, we're back for part 2. Okay guys, so in today's video, I have a new handbag that I'm so excited to show and share with you guys today. And I was able to acquire another bag. So let's open her and let's get right into her. None other than, I got another Brooklyn bag. So it just comes in a bag just like this. I didn't get a box either again this time, which I'm totally okay with. And it just comes in the dust bag. This is the bag. We're gonna take her out of the dust bag. None other than the Brooklyn 28 in suede. Guys, I have been obsessed with the Brooklyn bag and so have you guys, and I'm so excited to be able to open and share this new bag to add to my collection. Brooklyn is the hottest bag out at Coach right now. This one here is another Brooklyn style that they carry. This one is in the color cedar or their suede. So cedar looks like this, and it also has a suede hang tag, just says Coach on it. Not one that you would monogram, but it's just a beautiful motif and signature piece with Coach. So the Brooklyn shoulder bag in suede, Brooklyn 28, retails for $2.95 at Coach, which is actually a beautiful price point for a handbag and then one of this nature. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So we love the Brooklyn. Suede is so sought out after, and it is another style that is really hard to get. So if you guys are able to get a Brooklyn or place an order online or contact with a SA, I highly advise it because these bags are selling out. I think they are still available right now on the website, and of course I'll link them down below in the description box. If you can get a Brooklyn, the suede and the maple are literally the colors that go the fastest. I was able to get my hands on suede. I still kind of am eyeing a maple one, but yes, suede for now, totally in season, totally on trend. I'll just show you guys. I have this really cute little like layered look going on with just like some jeans, and I just have on like some cute Ugg boots. This is how I will be carrying my Brooklyn, and I am going to be moving into her right away. It is a nice slouchy hobo style, just like the leather versions, but this is made out of a really beautiful suede. You still have your constructed shoulder strap here where the leather is reinforced, and in the suede you do have this dark stone lined. This one is finished. It is completely finished. Inside it is like a leather. You do get a pocket with the snap in here. See, it's kind of awkward to show you. Yeah, there's your pocket with the snap. And then this closure, it's not a magnetic one, it is a button. So it is a snap closure. Close just like that. Even though this is a suede bag, I still think suede is going to be really, really huge even when we come out of the winter months. I think suede is going to be widely popular. And I'm just so excited to wear this bag, and I'll insert mod shots and kind of how I wore the bag and a little bit of that. And if you guys are interested in seeing what's in my bag or what I'm gonna put in my Brooklyn, it's a very spacious bag. You can put quite a bit, and I know you guys have seen like the what's in my bag videos and like what I put in my Brooklyn. If you guys want to see me compare sizes of the Brooklyn 28 versus my Brooklyn 39 in dark lime, I'm still obsessed with the color, if you cannot tell. Yes, this is like one of my favorite colors. I am a green girl. I love green. Anything, any tone, hue, and shade and variation of green, give it to me, okay? So I love this. I knew this would pair well with this look and this bright lime, like chartreuse color. Comment down below, guys, what are your favorite bags from Coach right now and what bag you're currently carrying, and if it's a Coach bag or not. Like, just let me know. What bag are you carrying? I love her and I can't wait to move into her, which I'm about to do right now. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any comments or if you're carrying a Coach bag, let me know down below what Coach bag you're carrying. Alright guys, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.